The Traveler's Tale, Unusual Places in the World. Introduction. Traveling opens up the world in unexpected ways. While some destinations are famous for their beauty or historical significance, others are known for their sheer oddity and uniqueness. This story chronicles the journey of a seasoned traveler who has witnessed the world's wonders firsthand and heard captivating tales from fellow adventurers. His experiences and stories reveal some of the most unusual places on Earth. The enigmatic glow of the Waitomo Caves, New Zealand. As I descended into the depths of the Waitomo Caves, the world above seemed to vanish, replaced by an otherworldly glow. These caves are famous for their bioluminescent inhabitants, glowworms. Thousands of these tiny creatures emit a blue-green light, creating a starlit sky underground. Drifting through the dark waters of the cave, I felt like I had entered a dreamscape. The sight was surreal, making me question the boundaries between reality and fantasy. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest mirror, Bolivia. My next adventure took me to the high plateau of Bolivia, home to the Salar de Uyuni. This vast salt flat stretches endlessly, its white expanse blending seamlessly into the horizon. After a rare rain, the salt flat transforms into the world's largest mirror, reflecting the sky with perfect clarity. Walking on this mirror, it felt as though I was striding through the heavens. The disorienting, breathtaking beauty of this place is something every traveler should experience at least once. The fairy chimneys of Cappadocia, Turkey. In the heart of Turkey lies Cappadocia, a region known for its peculiar rock formations called fairy chimneys. These towering structures, carved by nature and shaped by ancient civilizations, create a landscape that seems to be pulled from a fairy tale. Hot air balloons dot the sky each morning, offering a bird's-eye view of this whimsical terrain. The combination of natural and man-made wonders here is a testament to the creativity of both Earth and its inhabitants. The door to hell, Turkmenistan. One of the most surprising tales I heard was about the Darvaza gas crater in Turkmenistan, ominously nicknamed the door to hell. This fiery pit, burning continuously for decades, was accidentally created by Soviet scientists. The sight of flames licking at the edges of this massive crater in the middle of a desert is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. The orange glow against the dark night sky is something straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie. The moving rocks of Racetrack Playa, USA. In Death Valley National Park, California, lies Racetrack Playa, a dry lake bed where rocks mysteriously move across the surface, leaving long tracks behind them. Despite extensive studies, the exact mechanism behind this phenomenon remains a mystery. Walking along the playa, I found it hard to believe that these heavy stones could move on their own. The sense of wonder and curiosity this place invokes is unmatched, making it a must-see for the inquisitive traveler. The Blood Falls of Antarctica. A friend of mine recounted his chilling journey to Antarctica, where he witnessed the infamous Blood Falls. This eerie natural wonder is a waterfall that gushes out red-colored water from the Taylor Glacier. The crimson hue is due to iron oxide in the water, creating the illusion of bleeding ice. The stark contrast between the white ice and the red water is both shocking and fascinating, a vivid reminder of nature's unpredictability and beauty. The everlasting lightning storm at Catatumbo, Venezuela. The last story I'll share is about the Catatumbo lightning, a phenomenon that occurs over the mouth of the Catatumbo River in Venezuela. Here, lightning storms rage for about 160 nights a year, up to 10 hours per night. The sky is illuminated almost continuously by brilliant flashes, creating a natural light show. Witnessing this eternal storm, one feels the raw power of nature in its most dramatic form. It's a spectacle that defies belief and leaves an indelible mark on anyone lucky enough to see it. Conclusion. The world is full of places that defy logic and expectations, from glowing caves to endless mirrors, fiery pits to moving rocks. These unusual destinations remind us that despite our advances in technology and science, there are still many mysteries waiting to be explored. As travelers, we seek these wonders, driven by a sense of curiosity and a desire to experience the extraordinary. Whether seen firsthand or heard through stories, these places ignite our imagination and fuel our adventures.